Hey guys, it's Mike from Love to Wander. On a little solo hike today. Heading towards Mission Creek for the weekend. Hang out with some friends. I'm hiking in 16 and a half miles up the PCT. It'll be the beginning of the C section. You see homes right down there. There's San Jacinto. Got some snow on it. Can't see San Gorgonio, it's in those clouds. I think it's going to take me maybe about 6 hours, 6.5 hours, if I plan this right. I do have a escape plan if I have to. I'm going to meet Susan in the Whitewater Preserve if I have to abort the hike for any reason. This gate don't work too well. Needs to be oiled. Now we are entering the Mesa Wind Farm now. I'm headed towards Mission Creek, but it's not 27 miles. It's only like from here, I'd say 14. That's to Mission Creek Camp, which is 10 miles further up the PCT that I'm going. And this is the beginning of the C section of the PCT. To leave the Mesa Wind Farm. There were some hunters up here. That's where the gunfire was. So far the trails, that actually hasn't been that bad. It's actually pretty nice. I'm just almost 2 hours in. I think I'm about 4 miles. Maybe a little bit more, I'm not sure. Okay, the first set of switchbacks right up there. Once I get up there, it's pretty much downhill all the way into Whitewater. Now that I'm at the top, downhill from here, at least until Whitewater, and then I got one more hill to go up before I get into Mission Creek. PCT. Whitewater Canyon's right over there. You have some fall color down there in the canyon. Cottonwoods. Okay guys, that's the Whitewater River down there. Not much water in it, but that's the river. Up on the hill over there, we got looks like 2 or 3 cows. Okay, I'm just getting ready to enter the Whitewater area. I'll show you. This is the Whitewater River. Whitewater Preserve is right around the corner there. And as you can see, the sun is down. So it's gonna be dark. Can you hear the coyotes? Sounds like we got a small pack of them. As you guys can see now, it's dark. I'm almost to Red Dome. Then from Red Dome, I still have 4 miles. Yeah, I'm still hiking. I'm probably less than a mile. Had some eye shine following me. I think it was a fox or a coyote. I'm now entering the Mission Creek Preserve. Probably less than a half mile to where we're going to be. Yeah, pretty dark.